Will the dawn of the next decade witness the birth of artificial general intelligence, an intelligence that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge just as a human would? This is a question that has been stirring minds and shaping conversations in the artificial intelligence arena. In a world where computational power and data are growing exponentially, Shane Legg, co-founder of Google's DeepMind, maintains his prediction that artificial general intelligence, or AGI, has a 50% chance of coming into existence by the year 2028. This isn't a prediction plucked out of thin air. It's based on concrete advancements in deep learning and the explosive growth of computational power and data. Yet as we stride towards this potential reality, defining AGI remains a formidable challenge. There's no single test, no definitive benchmark to determine its achievement. What we do know is that the training of AI models will need to transcend human experience. We're looking at a future where AI can learn from data beyond our comprehension and apply it effectively. But the question of AGI isn't just about its existence, it's also about its impact. As AI becomes increasingly important, it's set to have a major impact on the job market. Automation could replace human labor, leading to significant job losses. Biased machine learning systems could perpetuate discrimination due to biased training data. It's clear then that the advent of AGI isn't just a technological milestone, it's a societal one. The pursuit of AGI is also shaping the business landscape. Salesforce, for instance, is striving towards achieving AGI for business. It has unveiled Einstein Copilot, an AI tool that allows users to build AI-infused apps without code. Salesforce sees itself as a key player in enabling an AI-first enterprise, aiming to reach AI nirvana, where AI streamlines processes, speeds up decision-making, and enables seamless customer service. As we grapple with the potential of AGI, it's crucial to remember that this isn't science fiction. The development of OpenAI's GPT-4 system, a significant advancement in natural language processing, has been dubbed the second Big Bang in AI. This has led some to revise their timelines for the arrival of AGI, acknowledging that it may be closer than we think. In conclusion, the question of AGI isn't just about when it will happen, but how it will reshape our world. As we stand at the precipice of a new era, it's clear that the journey to AGI is as much about navigating the societal and ethical implications as it is about technological advancements. AGI may well be the defining issue of the next decade, a testament to the remarkable journey of human innovation and a challenge to our collective wisdom and foresight. If you found this journey into the potential and challenges of AGI fascinating, there's so much more to explore. To stay updated with the latest developments in technology and to continue sparking your curiosity, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for @DemystifyTech. Remember, the future is not something we enter, it's something we create. So let's embrace it together. Stay curious, stay informed with @DemystifyTech.